Hi guys, so today I decided to make a video about how to install Python on your computer device. It's gonna be a very long video. Tried my best to make it as short as possible. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube that were either misleading or so bad made that may also confuse people about installing Python. But it's actually in fact not that hard. It's very simple nowadays. It's pretty easy. Make sure you follow through everything I'm gonna do in today's video. If you miss one step, then you will have problems and you have to reinstall everything all over again. So let's just get into the video. So basically the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and then search for download Python. And then as you can see, we have the first result showing up. Click on download Python and then it will result in this page. Click on download Python 3.9.1 or whatever the version that has. Click on save and then click on it, and as you can see, you will see a result right over here. Make sure to click on check add Python 3.9 to path or whatever version you have, and then click on customize and install, and then make sure you click on everything in here and then click on next. You don't have to worry about this kind of stuff here. Just go ahead and click on install, and then as you can see, it will install the Python for you. Very simple. It may take a while for it to install, so just be patient. And as you can see, setup was successful. Go ahead and click on close, and now we just have to make sure that you install Python on your computer successfully. Go ahead and click on your start menu, click on CMD, and then hit enter. As you can see, a wizard show up in here. I mean, not a wizard, but a command prompt. As you can see, we have everything here. We're gonna search for Python and then hit enter. As you can see, it will show us the version and everything impossible. So if that shows up, means you already installed Python and everything is alright. Go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Good luck with coding and have a nice day. By the way, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if this video helped you. If you like this video, it will help other people to find this video out and help them out with installing Python. So thanks for watching. This is Darshka from out.